If you're the owner of a micro or small limited company, you need to be aware of massive changes announced by Companies House. So previously you would have been able to file abridged accounts. Basically, there are very little information contained in these. It's a balance sheet, a year-end position and a few notes to disclose your employee numbers, your methods of depreciation, stuff like that. To the average person, they mean absolutely nothing. And even me as an accountant, if I'm looking at a set of abridged accounts, I can't really tell you much about that business. But in the last 24 hours, Companies House have announced that they are abolishing abridged accounts. That means that you, as a business owner, will have to submit your full profit and loss to Companies House, and it'll be there for literally anybody to look up. That means that your employees, your competitors, even your ex-boyfriend is going to be able to look up your company on Companies House and see what your sales figure was, what your salary and wages was. So like if you are the only employee as the director of a company and you only have that one wage coming out, we'll know what you're paying yourself as a salary. We'll know what your tax position is, how much tax you paid, what sort of things that are sitting in your expenses, whether it be for travel expenses, whatever, we will know. Now, I don't know that this is necessarily a good change. I think it's quite good for business owners to have that element of privacy, especially when it's not a big company and it's not really in the public interest to know this. But I mean, this combined with Making Tax Digital coming in with HMRC is just showing that they're getting more and more powers to know exactly what's going on in your business and whether or not there is anything that shouldn't be happening. So my plea to you as a business owner is, if you don't already have one, reach out to an accountant. Make sure you're ahead of the game with all these changes. Make sure that you are not doing anything that you shouldn't be doing with your accounts, whether it's through just ignorance or whether you've been thinking, oh, we've got away with it this long, we'll keep trying. Just reach out to a professional. Give yourself that peace of mind, because if this information is going to be publicly available, you want to make sure that it's right and it's a true reflection of your company's performance. If you have any questions or you would like to speak to somebody about what these changes mean for you, please drop me a message, book in for a one-to-one. The link is there in my bio and I would be absolutely delighted to help.